Hi, Christine.
Good afternoon, Will.
Good afternoon. You want to say hello to everybody?
Good afternoon sa lahat na nanonood po ngayon sa Wowowin and also to all the Olongapeños out there. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
So you're from Olongapo City?
Yeah, Olongapo City.
What do you do in life?
I am an event host. I also do fashion runway. I also do shoots, different collaborations with different brands. And of course, I am a beauty queen. I join beauty pageants.
Very well said.
Thank you.
Very well said. What an answer for the question. Oh, I really appreciate your answer.
Thank you so much, Will.
Okay, but anyway, what is your horoscope?
Horoscope, I'm a Cancer. Cancer zodiac sign, yes. I'm turning 23 next month also.
Oh, advance happy birthday.
Thank you.
Cancer, okay. Okay, you want to ask my horoscope?
Of course.
I am Jupiter. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. But anyway, this is the question.
Yes.
You want me to say it in Tagalog or English or Spanish, Pakistani, Indian, whatever?
All the languages you have.
Okay.
I'm just
Okay, para hindi
kidding.
tayo mahirapan. Sariling wika natin. Here's the question. Sa iyong palagay, inaalam ba dapat ng babae ang password sa social media ng boyfriend niya? Dapat bang inaalam mo ang password? O dapat ba pinapakialam mo ang cellphone ng boyfriend mo na hindi pa naman kayo mag-asawa? Okay? Dapat mo bang gawin yun? Oo o hindi?
Well, for me, to be honest, it's someone's privacy. So you have to respect someone's privacy. And if you really have the trust to your partner or to that someone who is your partner in the relationship, you should put trust in that person. So you really do not have to get the password or to search on his Facebook all the time. If he really loves you, he wouldn't do anything that would hurt you.
So what you're saying,
for me, hindi kailangan kunin yung password
so
ng
magta-trust ka
partner.
na lang sa kanya?
Yes, I
What
do
is
trust
one
my
day?
partners.
Okay, nakita mo naglalak ka ng natutulog siya, dinalo mo siya sa bahay, nakita mo kanyang cellphone na nakalag. Nag-enjoy ako kagabi. Yan. Ano maging reaction mo doon?
Well, it's part of your life. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. Kung gusto mong gumawa ng mali, gagawa ka talaga ng mali. If you don't love me, gagawa ka ng mali. But if you really love me, you wouldn't do anything that would hurt me.
Galing. Tapos may kasunod, grabe ang sarap ng kinain natin.
Well, that's
ng
good.
kinain natin
Nabusog.
sa dinner. Okay. Okay?
Okay lang.
Okay lang yun. So, ibig mo sabihin, dapat hindi pinapakilaman ng girlfriend o ng boyfriend ang kanilang mga cellphone because you're saying is dapat may privacy.
Yes, and trust with your partner as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Olongapo City, Christine Apiasa. Thank you, Christine.
Thank you, Will. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Christine Apiasa from Olongapo City. Candidate.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang!